Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I want to talk about a subject that's not always something you want to hear, but it is really important. I want to talk to you about counterfeiting, fake coins, and how many bullion coins and bars are out there. And I have some articles to share with you. All right, well, let's get into it. Hi, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you're doing well. On my last video, I did mention counterfeit coins, and I had several people ask me questions about it. Now, I know there are hundreds of videos on fakes and counterfeit coins and bars, and I do recommend that you check them out. There are even videos on how to check for fakes. I did one, and I will put a link in the description. I'll put one up here if I can. It's one of my earlier videos, so you might chuckle at my unrefined editing and narration, but we all have to come from somewhere, and it does have really good information. Now, as I was stating earlier, my last video did mention counterfeit coins, and I used that as part of the way that I rated my coins on my list. Why, you might ask? Because I read so many articles on the amount of fakes that are out there. This is why the Royal Mint, the Perth Mint, the US Mint, this is just to name a few, are adding counterfeit measures to their coins. But private mints are doing this too. They are also constantly being counterfeited. Now, I did a video on you can verify Pamp Swiss bars if you want to check that out, and I'll put a link up here too. So first, let's look at a few articles so you can see the scope of fakes or counterfeit coins that are out there, and they're saying that they're primarily from China, the People's Republic of China. Coin World says U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers at Chicago's International Mail Facility recently seized 281 packages containing various counterfeit coins and $100 bills, with 95% of the shipments arriving from China. It said most of the coins had a buffalo, a bald eagle, or Native Americans embossed on the coins, collector items which are sold for profit. Now, they did mention that the authorities were not specific about the type of coins, but we stackers and collectors know that a Native American on a gold coin is either going to be a buffalo or a pre-33 coin, and the bald eagle is usually going to be the American gold eagles. Now, to continue on to the next article, Coin Week, and this was titled Silver, Gold, American Eagles, Most Counterfeited Bullion Coins, ICTA. A new survey conducted by the Anti-Counterfeiting Task Force, ACTF, indicates the popular U.S. bullion coins are now leaders in a category their manufacturer would rather not be in: the most frequently encountered bullion coin counterfeits. Among collectible classic U.S. coins, Morgan silver dollars at 71.7% led the list of most frequently encountered counterfeits. The most frequently encountered fake foreign gold bullion coins include the South African gold Krugerrand at 30.4%, the Canadian gold maple leaf at 24.2%, and the Mexican gold 50 peso at 20.1%. The article stated that not only are sovereign coins counterfeited, but private mints are too. Pamp Swiss gold ingots and bars are the worldwide market leader. 57.8% of U.S. dealers in the survey reported customers seeking to sell them counterfeit gold pamp bars, and 36.1% reported encountering fakes of Australia's Perth Mint gold bars. For silver, fakes of privately minted bars bearing logos of the Silvertown Mint, 24.7%, and the private Sunshine Mint, 19.9%, registered highest in the survey. As you see, there are a lot of counterfeiters out there, so please check your silver and your gold and only buy from reputable dealers. If you search YouTube, you will find out that there are many pawn shops and coin stores that are selling fake coins too. And I'm not saying that they do this purposely, but they do it. The Secret Service and the U.S., which I believe is part of the Border and Customs, says that you should report every incident to them so they can investigate. But that's on you. You decide. I know not everyone trusts the federal government, but they say that it is anonymous. This is what the Border Patrol actually said. They put this out for release to the media. U.S. Border and Customs Protection officers assigned to the Rochester Port of Entry discovered 119 South African Krugerrand 1972 1-ounce gold coins being shipped into the United States. And further down it said, if you have information about counterfeit merchandise being illegally imported into the U.S., Customs and Border Patrol encourages you to submit an e-allegation. The e-allegation provides a means for the public to anonymously report to the CBP any suspect violations of trade laws or regulations related to the importation of goods into the U.S. So they're primarily talking about if you know that it's being imported, while the Secret Service says if you have any counterfeit coins, because they are legal tender, to report them. Now, I have bought coins from eBay that were not silver, yet were described as silver. And here's an article that addresses that on findbullionprices.com. There are a lot of fake or counterfeit bullion being advertised and sold on eBay. Sometimes the listings look legit. If you fall victim to it and you verify what you bought was fake, eBay or PayPal will get your money back. But it can take weeks, and it will most likely leave you with a sour taste in your mouth from buying from eBay in the future. Now, I have to say eBay did contact the seller, and the seller returned the money. So it did work out for me. Now, as you see, as a buyer, a stacker, or a collector, you have to be on the lookout for fakes. Please do your research. Understand what you're buying. Sometimes a simple magnet test will show you that a coin is fake. At a minimum, always have a magnet with you. I always do. Learn to do the ping test. And if you have about $1,000 laying around, you can buy the Sigma Metalytics coin tester. And you see many YouTubers using that device also. But do familiarize yourself with coins, know what they look like, know how they feel, know their weights, weigh them, test them, make sure you get the real thing. Well, that is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you please like, share, and comment. Tell me what you think about these fakes and what do you do in order to prevent them ending up in your stack or part of your investment. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. You know I really do appreciate you. You know I take the time and I try to answer 100% of the comments that I get. Well, take care, and as I always say, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you on the next video.